Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my bathroom. This is the first time I've ever filmed in here. So I figured because I am going to a Halloween party tonight and I'm going as Zoya The Destroya from Glow, I would film a little transformation. I'm gonna just try to replicate one of her more dramatic looks and let you guys see how I do that. So if you're interested in seeing how I transform into Zoya The Destroya, then just keep on watching. Alright, this should be fun. Let us do this. So first things first, I'm just taking my Kylie Cosmetics concealer to prime my eyelids. And I'm doing my eyes first because I felt like this look might get messy and it's just easier to clean up, fall out, and whatnot when you do your face last. Been absolutely loving these cheap beauty blenders I found on Amazon. I mean, seriously, they're just as good as the real thing. I'm going to link them down below as well as the rest of the products I'm using here. Okay, I got a little ahead of myself and I forgot to prime my face first. Whoops. Doing it with this lovely illuminating primer that previously I had never heard of this brand before, but I like what it does for my skin and how my makeup goes on over it. Of course, gotta pop on the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I literally use this every day. Setting that primer with this super light shade from the Cinema Secrets Neutral Palette. Next, I'm using this Signature Comet Crush palette. Okay, I definitely mispronounced that, but this fun duochrome type palette that I rarely use, I thought would be great for this look. And this red seemed like it was the right shade. Just trying to load that color on as much as possible, but I definitely wasn't very inspired by the way the color applied. Next, I grabbed this old MAC palette that I'm certain is no longer sold, and I'm taking this matte black shade into my outer corner and crease. This look is very dramatic, so you just want to go with the full drama and build the colors up to be bold. She has sort of an extreme sharp cat eye, so to do this, either grab a makeup wipe or some micellar water on a cotton swab and just drag that upwards to the outside of your brows. Next, take a fluffy brush and just blend outward from your crease to blend everything together. Next, taking an angle brush, I dip back into the red to give that line more definition. Once you draw it out, start creating a curve across your upper brow bone and fill it all in with red. Right underneath my brows, I grabbed the Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette and dipped into Dothraki, this super gold shade. Just load it on. This look is not subtle. Okay, so next thing I did was questionable and in hindsight didn't work out the way I wanted, but I grabbed this metallic lip stain thinking maybe it would boost the saturation of the color on my lid, but not so much. It wouldn't be a glow makeup look without some glitter. Next, I grabbed this black and gold shade of the Pixie Liquid Fairy Lights to add some sparkle to the black parts of this eye look, dragging it up the exaggerated cat eye. Next, with my angle brush, I just took some of this glittery black shade called Take the Black and added it to my wing. As I previously mentioned, that duochrome red was not doing it for me, so I went over the red with this color, Lannister Red, and it was so much more pigmented, thank God. Really work that color up into the crease and drag it over the inside of your eye. Okay, now it's time for the face. I decided to go with the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I do have to say that while I like the coverage on this, it is so freaking hard to blend out. It takes forever. Going back in to highlight with my Kylie Cosmetics concealer. With the face, you really want to go for that sort of hard, harsh look because you are a tough, scary Soviet Union fighter. Haha. Decided to go for some bright blush because, again, this is sort of an 80s look too because of the show. Popping on some highlights. I love this palette from Color Effects. This particular shade is so blinding. Grab some liquid eyeliner to finish off this eye look. Make sure you pull the eyeliner directly on top of that line you made before with the eyeshadow. With my angle brush, I just grabbed some of that kind of disappointing red and put a tad under my lower lash line. Of course, with this look, you'll need some strong brows. The thicker, the better. Before mascara and lashes, I always set my face, and I'm using my customized bottle of the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. Be so proud of me. I actually am putting on lashes for this look. This pair. And there you have it. Put on the black lipstick, and you are Zoya the Destroyer. Ha! Now I am ready to take on arch nemesis Liberty Bell. I must make Mother Russia proud and defeat the Americans. Okay, anyway, you get the point. Here's the look. Make sure if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, до свидания.